In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Webflow, quick and easy. We'll set this up using Webflow's marketplace in Zapier, so activity in your Webflow site can automatically create products in Stripe without manual data entry. Start by signing in to your Webflow dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your project lives and where you have admin permissions. From the dashboard, head to the marketplace, then open the App section. In the search bar, type Zapier, open the Zapier App page, and click Install App. Approve the requested permissions so Zapier can read the data it needs from your Webflow site. After the install, you'll see an option to connect Webflow to thousands of tools. Click the prompt to continue to Zapier. In Zapier, you'll build a simple automation called a Zap. Choose Webflow as your first app. This defines where your data will come from. You can pick the Webflow trigger that matches your workflow. For example, when a new item is created or updated in a collection, so the Zap knows when to run. Next, add your action step and select Stripe as the app. For the action event, choose Creates a new product. This tells Zapier to create a product in your Stripe account every time your Webflow trigger fires. When prompted for an account, click to connect Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe's secure window. Confirm that you want to continue, select the correct Stripe account if you manage more than one, and authorize the connection. When Stripe sends you back to Zapier, you'll see your account listed and ready to use. Now configure the Stripe action fields. Map the product name from your Webflow data, and, if available, pass a description or any other optional fields that make your Stripe catalog easier to manage. Keep in mind that creating a product in Stripe is separate from creating a price. Many teams create prices afterward, so your internal process might include that as a follow-up within Stripe. Before you finish, review that you've selected the right workspace and site in the Webflow trigger and the right Stripe account in the action. Clear, consistent naming for your products in Webflow will make your Stripe catalog neat and searchable. When everything looks good, you're ready to run this automation going forward. That's it. You've connected Webflow with Stripe using Zapier, installed the app from Webflow's marketplace, picked Webflow as your trigger, Stripe as your action, selected, creates a new product, and securely authorized Stripe. Enjoy the time you'll save with this